Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Don's Lawns.
Yeah, Don's Lawns is the best.
First off, I want to say thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't, go ahead and hit that bell, tap subscribe, and make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. Being that it's been about 8 weeks since seeding, and I'm now cutting the Bermuda at 3/4 of an inch, I think it's time that I go ahead and start the liquid fert cycle. Today's video is going to be talking about, that's right, depth SYFE. I guess that's how you say it. Depth SYFE, SYFE. It's an 1808 liquid fertilizer by Subvert Nutritionals, subvertnpk.com. You can go find them there. You can also go to realodad.com, and he's also selling the Subvert products. So I went to realodad's website and made a purchase and got me some 1808 depth SYFE. Honestly, the liquid fert apps are a lot quicker of a reaction. You don't have to wait for the granule to break down. It gets absorbed into the leaf and then watered into the soil. So it can get into the plant a lot quicker than if you use a granule. That's why I'm looking to do more liquid fert apps this season on the Bermuda. The price point of this product in their lineup is about $50 plus shipping and handling. Turned out to be about $67 for my location. And I'm looking to put down about a ½ pound of nitrogen with this application, so that's going to be roughly 32 ounces. So with it coming in 2 1-gallon jugs, I'm going to get about 8 treatments at ½ pound rates. Pretty great for, paying $50, $6.25 a treatment. I chose the 1808 over the 1801 Green Punch because this depth SYFE has that higher level of potassium. The K value was an 8 instead of 1 from the Green Punch. So that higher level of potassium is going to benefit the stress levels in the Bermuda a lot more as I keep lowering and lowering and lowering that height of cut. Green Punch has some beneficial ingredients in it already. It's a great product, super awesome. I'm looking forward to using that as well. But I just got this, and a kid in a candy store, you got to get your application down with your new product right now. Due to the heat and everything that's been occurring outside during the day, I decided today that we will be doing this application at night. I filled up my backpack sprayer with 2 gallons of water and added the 32 ounces of the depth SYFE 1808 by Subvert Nutritionals. I'm using the 2 gallons of water so that I have enough carrier to dilute it down and to avoid maybe any issues that it may have. You're trying to keep a certain dilution rate, and I found that 1 gallon per 1,000 sometimes just isn't enough, so I like to kind of double it sometimes. So sure, I'll spend a little longer spraying, but I'll also make sure that I get enough of the product and get it evenly applied. So I just finished my first pass with my backpack sprayer, and I've only used about a half a gallon I've used on my first pass, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to go the opposite That way I can try to get a more even coverage. Just finished going around everywhere in the opposite direction, and I still have 1 gallon left, so I'm going to change out the 4-way nozzle to the heavier fan flow. Right now I've been doing it on the fine fan flow. I'm going to change that up to the coarse fan flow, finish off this gallon right here. Next time I will probably just stick to using my coarse fan spray and walk at a faster pace and get the application all done with 1 to 2 passes instead of having to do 3 passes to get the application down. And I hope that if you liked tonight's night spraying that you go ahead and hit that thumbs up now, and then at the end of the video leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought. And if you're interested in more night spraying videos, boom, show me that and I'll hook you up with some more night spraying. So like I said earlier, I applied it tonight and I'll be letting it sit on the grass overnight, and I will have an irrigation cycle in the morning to water it in and get it soaked into the soil as well. So fingers crossed, hopefully we have some cool results here, and keep watching because I'll have them playing right here. It's been over 2 nights now since spraying the depth 1808, and you can tell it's got significantly greener. Some areas are getting pretty thick. I'm in need of a mow. However, I had about 3 inches of rain just dump on us last night, and I've got standing water over here. So I'm probably not going to get to mow today, but we'll see. So the big takeaway from this video is that the 1808 is a great product. So far I've been very pleased with it, and I've gotten it watered in quite a bit over the last couple days. We had rain, and we also have had my irrigation cycle the other day, so it's gotten plenty of water. The grass is looking healthy. I did not hurt the grass by applying it at that half-pound rate. Just remember to always follow the label directions and to not over apply things whenever you do it. As always, guys, make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.